Amico Power DC-160A 160 amp dual voltage IGBT inverter DC welding machine 1 Amico Power DC-160 115 volts 230 volts dual voltage input stick welder package. The DC-160 stick welder package comes ready to weld. Simply add the welding electrodes. It offers infinite amperage control with an LED meter so you can set the machine to your required settings. All machines are tested in the USA. Comes standard with DC-160 welder electrode holder and 10 feet cable work clamp and 10 feet cable input power adapter cable and plug. Quick facts: process, stick, SMAW, applications, light metal fabrication, maintenance and repair, farm and home, light industrial. Input power 115 volts 1/60th of a hertz, 230 volts 1/60th of a hertz. Input current at rated output 20 A. Output range, DC-5A 160A 115 volts, 230 volts rated output. Current, voltage, duty cycle, 160A, 23 volts, 60%, ETL listed. Weight, dimensions, HXWXD, 18 pounds, 12.5 x 9 by 22 inches, 8.18 kilogram. 320 by 230 by 560 millimeters. Click on the link below now for more info. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.